Hold on to your hats. The first national winter storm of 2025 is sweeping across the U.S., coast to coast. Starting on the west coast, this monster storm is unleashing heavy snow, hazardous ice, and high winds. Virginia's already under a state of emergency, and travel is strongly discouraged. From the Central Plains to the Ohio Valley, snow accumulations could reach over a foot in cities like Kansas City and Washington, D.C. Plus, ice storms are hitting hard in Missouri, Illinois, and beyond. Power outages are likely as ice builds up, and below freezing temps are expected after the storm. Airlines are bracing for delays, while hundreds of plows and operators are working around the clock. Stay safe, stay informed, and prepare for the worst. This storm is no joke.